Here's the idea. We start with a very basic system. A wooden frame to connect everything to the van floor. On top of that goes a raising frame, which holds the drawers and some other storage. Then a wooden frame on top, and on top of that we finish with something that actually protects our wood and our entire frame. First things first, previous floor comes out again. To connect everything to the bottom of the van, I'm building a flat frame, give some rigidity, and it's a lot easier to bolt it through and then mount the next part later. I don't know if you recall me making those pins to mark my drill spots. Well, I'm still using them. Made a couple more, and they're really handy. You can actually see where it made the holes. I hope you can. You can see it right here. There's a little notch in there. I don't know how clear it is, as it is on the other side. You know, sometimes I get these flashes of brilliance. Okay, I'll admit the tool already existed, but I made one myself. If it works, it works. Floor part 1 is done. Now, let's move on to part 2, which is the actual raising of the floor to put in my drawers. Then on top of that comes the actual final part, the actual floor that you can walk on. But for now, I have a sturdy frame. Part 2 is the raising frame and the drawer frame, and then we go for the actual top. Now, before you start cutting and screwing like a lunatic, dry fitting. Make sure it fits well and it sits well. I'm putting my entire frame together with normal screws because it's not important yet, and then when I actually put it together, I'm using stainless steel. I want to make sure my varnish will adhere well. Since I'm using scrap wood, I'm gonna sand it up a bit, take off most of the paint. That way, whatever I put on it will actually stick to it. Gluing, important, because you don't want your screws and your fasteners to carry all the load. Because I wanted to keep my frame strong, put in drawers and save weight, I decided to make some crossbars. That way I can bridge whatever gaps are there without falling through the top floor. Now we disassemble, glue and screw it back together using stainless steel screws. Now that it's lined up, we can clamp it down and start marking it for glue. Now I made some extra markings to see where exactly I had the glue. That takes away most of the guesswork. Same procedure, glue and put it back together with stainless steel screws. Very important, make your new screws just a tiny bit bigger than your old ones. That gives them just a little more bite. Now that the frame's almost ready to go in, first we varnish, using a yacht varnish that's actually from marine use. That keeps the wood nice and healthy and keeps moisture out.